Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel UK with Nature. So in this video we are going to see how to create a beautiful terrarium like this using household materials. If you are a new viewer to our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enable the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video related to agriculture, gardening, etc. If you guys don't know really what is a terrarium is, then don't worry, I will explain you what is a terrarium. A terrarium is a small ecosystem made inside a glass container like a fish bowl, which consists of plants, soil and some decorative stone materials. It's generally used in home and offices to enhance the look and mood. That's enough. It's a medium-sized fish ball. You can purchase it from a aquarium shop. It's not that much expensive. A sprayer. Guys, I will provide the subtitles for this video so you guys can understand this video. The materials used here is some gravels which is used in concrete making, small and medium smooth pebbles found in sand and sand soil, granite pieces and amount of organic compost or manure. You can use any manure. There is some sphagnum moss and some natural green looking weeds growing in gardens and aloe vera plant, but it should be small, okay, small in size.